In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix a GoDaddy validation error step by step. If you're trying to update your domain settings, publish your website, or complete your account details, and GoDaddy keeps showing a validation error, don't worry, this is usually a quick fix. I'll walk you through the most common causes and how to solve them fast. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple website and tech tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first and easiest fix is to simply refresh the page. Sometimes GoDaddy throws a validation error because the session has timed out or the page didn't load properly. On Windows, press Ctrl and R at the same time. On Mac, press Command and R. This reloads the dashboard or editor. After refreshing, try submitting the form again. In many cases, the error disappears immediately. If refreshing doesn't fix it, the next step is to check all required fields carefully. GoDaddy shows validation errors when something is incomplete or formatted incorrectly. Go through every single field in the form and make sure nothing is empty. This includes your first name, last name, email address, phone number, street address, country, postcode, and business name if required. Look closely for any boxes highlighted in red. Even a small missing detail like a space or a missing number in your postcode can trigger the error. Correct anything marked in red and try submitting again. Now let's talk about special characters, because this is a very common reason for validation errors. GoDaddy forms sometimes reject certain symbols, especially if they're entered in the wrong field. Characters like %signs, ampersands, asterisks, hashtags, slashes, or even the @ symbol can cause problems. Also remove any emojis if you copied and pasted text from somewhere else. Delete unnecessary symbols and remove extra spaces before or after your text. Once everything is clean and simple, try saving again. If you're still seeing the error, the issue might be your browser. Sometimes GoDaddy's editor doesn't work properly on a specific browser due to extensions or temporary glitches. Try opening your dashboard in a different browser. If you're using Chrome, switch to Firefox or Edge. Log in again and attempt the same action. If it works in another browser, then you know it was a browser-related issue. Another powerful fix is clearing your browser cache. Cached files can sometimes conflict with updated scripts on GoDaddy's website. In Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then click Clear Browsing Data. Select Cached Images and Files, then clear the data. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, log back into GoDaddy, and try again. This resolves many stubborn validation errors. Finally, if you're trying to verify changes on your website or domain and the error appears during publishing, try republishing the site. Go to your website editor, click Publish again, and wait for confirmation. If it's a domain verification issue, double-check your DNS settings and allow some time for propagation. Sometimes it just takes a few minutes for changes to fully register. So to quickly recap, refresh the page, check all required fields, remove special characters, try a different browser, clear your cache, and republish or verify again. One of these steps almost always solves the problem. If this video helped you fix your GoDaddy validation error, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy website fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.